Hi, in this video, I will try to discuss the right approach for your prelims ka preparation. What I've done, I've categorized the students into two types, type 1 and type 2. What I will do is, first I will tell you the characteristics of both the types. Then I will try to come up to the conclusion that which one of them is better. Sir and ma'am, the type 1 of the students will be those students who in January ka month will be focusing upon the basic level of the preparation. Just to keep the analogy intact, I will try to take the example of the level of questions they are practicing. You can relate it to the level of the preparation they are doing. What I am saying, in January and February, they will be practicing basic level questions, basic level, statement based, NCERT based, all those questions. Okay. In March ka month, this type 1 student will come to the moderate level questions. Some questions which may have current affairs orientation, some questions which may have the use of aptitude, moderate level questions. And in April and May ka month, these students will come to the UPSC level ka questions. The questions which are now appearing in maybe 2023, 2024 or maybe as per the recent pattern. Pattern plus level. Category of bouncer questions, category of statement based questions, category of questions being asked at the two levels, all those category of questions, they will come in the month of April and May. So these are first type of students. You just relate with me that आप किस कैटेगरी में फॉल करने की सोच रहे हो या एज पर यू कौन सी कैटेगरी बेटर है, आप बस अपने बैक ऑफ द माइंड ये रखिए. देन आई विल ट्राई टू शेयर माय आर्ग्यूमेंट्स विद यू. टाइप 2 वो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो जनवरी और फरवरी में दीज स्टूडेंट्स विल बी प्रैक्टिसिंग यूपीएससी लेवल क्वेश्चंस. यार मेरा फाउंडेशन डन हो चुका है और अब मैं सीधा सीधा लेट से मेरा फाउंडेशन के साथ ही मैंने कुछ रिवाइज भी कर रखा था, तो अब मैं सीधा सीधा यूपीएससी लेवल के क्वेश्चंस को प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ, है ना. लेट्स नॉट गेट इनटू बेसिक एंड एडवांस, बेसिक एंड मॉडरेट. लेट्स डायरेक्टली सी व्हाट यूपीएससी इज आस्किंग. इन मार्च मंथ he or she will come to diagnose his or her preparation. यार मेरी प्रिपरेशन में क्या कमी है, कितना गैप है, क्या दिक्कतें हैं. क्योंकि आपने यूपीएससी लेवल के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए हैं तो आपको ये पता चलेगा यार मेरे 50 मार्क्स आ रहे हैं और आने 100 चाहिए थे नेट से, तो 50 मार्क्स का क्वांटिटेटिव गैप है. क्वालिटेटिव आप ये बोल सकते हैं कि यार मैंने सिर्फ चीजें फैक्चुअल कर रखी हैं, मेरे पे एनालिटिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग की कमी है. तो आपको ये रियलाइज हो जाएगा जब आप यूपीएससी लेवल के क्वेश्चंस लगा रहे हो कि यार मेरे मार्क्स में कितना गैप है और मेरे नॉलेज में या लेट्स से जो मैंने बताया क्वालिटेटिव कितना गैप है. व्हाट यू विल डू इज यू विल टेक अप दैट गैप मे बी विद द हेल्प ऑफ मेंटर or maybe upon self diagnosis or maybe with the help of Sunya IAS, you will try to do the course correction. CC is course correction. That यार ठीक है, ये fillers हैं, 4-5 fillers हैं, this you have to fill the gap through with these fillers. So you fixed your gaps in month of March, let's assume. Now you already have practiced UPSC level questions, you have fixed your gaps. In April and May you will just revise the things multiple times and you will consolidate everything. Maybe you might have not done, let's say, current affairs का कुछ महीने का current affairs, so you will consolidate it. Maybe your some tests and some test series are pending, you will consolidate it. Maybe some of the things are very weak in your, maybe what I can say, the rectification of the things which you remember, उसको आप consolidate कर लोगे. Maybe the notes you might be referring some 5 or 6 category of notes. Same politically के लक्ष्मीकांत है आपके पास NCERTs हैं, आपके हैंड रिटन नोट्स हैं, आपके पास क्लास के नोट्स हैं, देन आपके पास कुछ और समरीज हैं. यू विल कंसोलिडेट एवरीथिंग सो दैट यू आर रिवाइजिंग थिंग्स अगेन एंड अगेन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक अ पॉज एंड सी. मेरे इसको बताने तक आपको ये अच्छा लग रहा होगा और यू माइट हैव फॉल इनटू दिस कैटेगरी आल्सो, बट वंस आई हैव टोल्ड यू बोथ द टाइप्स, डू लेट मी नो in which type you want to fall in. Now let me tell you, sir and ma'am, falling in this type is a much better option than falling in type 1. And let me give you the argument as well. What will happen if you're in type 1, यहां तक आप सिर्फ अपनी प्रिपरेशन में झूठ बोल रहे हैं. being practical, you are not facing whatever is required for the exam perspective from the exam perspective. You're just trying to bluff yourself with artificial marks, I would say. कि यार मेरे कैसे भी बेसिक में 80 100 मार्क्स आ रहे हैं जो मेरे को चाहिए, तो मैं आई एम सेटिस्फाइड. नाउ मॉडरेट में आई विल ट्राई टू स्कोर 100 out of 100. At level 2 I am satisfied. But in this scenario, sir, once you are facing the UPSC level ka questions, maybe in open mock test, or maybe with some good test series of some good institution, you will realize the shortcomings or the fallback in your preparation. What will happen if at this stage you realize the need of course correction? क्या होगा? Do you have the sufficient time? No, not at all. In 2 months you cannot literally do the course correction. And if I will not be wrong to quote, 90% of the students fail prelims because they are falling in this type 1. You end up bluffing yourself, end up end up not facing the true UPSC level का questions for months. Then in April and May आपको लगता है mock दे देता हूँ, open mock दे देता हूँ, then maybe marks आ जाते हैं या नहीं आ जाते. Both the scenarios could be there, but in that scenario please try to understand your scope of course correction is absolutely zero, and revision and consolidation also hampers, because you don't know now how you have to consolidate the gaps, how you have to fill the gaps. You don't have the time and liberty, right? So sir, as of now my entire objective of making this video is very simple. I can see many people approaching me with this approach, and let me tell you, 90% of the aspirants are falling in this approach, and then they struggle to clear the prelims. I request sincerely to all the students of Sunya IAS that please fall in type 2 so that you have sufficient time to do the course correction. And once you have done the course correction month of March, maybe through a mentor, maybe me, or maybe at, with any other person, you know what are your gaps, you know how far you have to go in order to bridge that gap. Let me tell you, your April and May months will be a game changer for you, and you will be able to secure a prelims in a much better way. ठीक है? इसमें अगर आपको कोई हेल्प चाहिए, do get back to us, Sunya IAS. I will drop a form of mentorship. Please fill that form if you want any help of any type. ठीक है? बहुत ज़्यादा है तभी please भरिए, because ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो we will also be facing difficulties to reach out to you. And one more thing, if you want to solve UPSC level questions, maybe from the December onwards itself, or maybe from January onwards, there is a very good program named PRP, Prelims Revision Program, in which daily test will be there, and we won't ask anything basic. We won't ask anything from NCERT. We will be keeping the question level to the UPSC standards, so that on daily basis you face the same heat which you will be facing on the D-Day. And in these 2-3 months to the PRP program, I will attach the link in the description and the pinned comment. On daily basis you will have a reality check that this is the gap, and from March onwards you will be in that mindset, in that what I can say, in the true zone of yours, that how much you have to do more. Thank you, have a good day, and I hope